ensure my app is running in the system tray, which it is. I'm going to just do my search, and with any results, any bit of text, all I need to do is just press Control and C, right click and copy, and then press the shortcut, and then straight away your audio
ADHD
will be.
significantly impacts reading due to executive dysfunction, causing slow processing, poor comprehension, and high mental fatigue, rather than just intellectual capability. ADHD significantly impacts reading due to executive dysfunction, causing slow processing, poor comprehension, and high mental fatigue, rather than just intellectual capability. Common challenges include skipping lines, rereading paragraphs, and, in 25 to 40% of cases, co-occurring learning disabilities like dyslexia, making reading a high-effort, often avoided task.
Now, if you don't want to use English, if English isn't your preferred language, simply search for the language or use the language that you're looking for. So in this case, I've just selected Hindi. All I need to do is exactly the same, Control and C or copy the text and hit the shortcut key, and straight away you will hear the audio in another language.
नहीं है, बल्कि यह मस्तिष्क की जानकारी संसाधित करने, प्रोसेस के तरीके को प्रभावित करता है। यहाँ ADHD और पढ़ने से जुड़े कुछ दिलचस्प